What's up, guys? Welcome to another DEATHbX video. Today we're going to be removing our rocker panels, side skirts. Now the reason why I am going to do this is because out of, I believe, the 7+ years of owning the DEATHbX, I have never ever removed them. So I have always heard that they're notorious for collecting a bunch of debris. So I think it's time that we check and clean them up. But before we get started with today's DEATHbX video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Let's get to it. So before I go ahead and go over how to remove your side skirts, rocker panels, I'm going to jack it up since I am a little bit lower. I also want to be able to show you guys how the process is. So let me jack up the car first. Alright, so in order to get your side skirts, rocker panels off, see that little lip? We're going to get our little plastic trim tool and we're going to take these little covers off. We're going to have one here as well in the back. And if you look underneath, we have these little plastic pieces. We're going to pop those off with our plastic trim tool as well. Alright, so let's get started. Once you take those off, you can either use a Phillips or a 10mm. And now we're going to take off these little plastic covers with our trim tool. Alright, so it seems like there's 7 of these that you need to remove. And you'll probably need a combination of like a flathead screwdriver and plastic trim removal to get them up and not chew them up too bad. All my tabs are pretty intact, so just be gentle when you're removing them. But believe it or not, the rocker panel itself was pretty clean. That is why we are checking our rocker panel, guys. Look at that. Look at all that dirt. Also, I would like to give Gabe a shout out. Please check out his YouTube channel. It's Oils and Gears. He also has a 1st Gen XB. And to be honest with you, months ago I saw, videos of his and everything, and I saw that he was removing these rocker panels, and it had me thinking I also have never removed them. So here we are. These are the results. Even though my side skirts, rocker panels were really clean, this is all the dirt we removed. I have a little bit of rust going on here. It could be worse. I have seen worse. Hopefully in the near future, I'll get this taken care of by a professional. Maybe I'll tackle the job myself. Let me clean all this up, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall our rocker panel side skirt. Now, something to note, when you go to put back your side skirt, make sure you tuck your fender liner behind it so that it holds it in as well. And that's how you remove and reinstall your rocker panels slash side skirts, guys. Alright guys, well, that's how you remove your side skirts / rocker panels. If you haven't done this yet, I'd probably recommend doing it, especially if you live like in the northern, eastern states. Else you're gonna be prone to having some rust damage. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Deadbeat DEATHbX video. If you enjoyed today's video, you already know what I'm gonna say. I'll see you in the next video.